Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun, very kind of, Valentine's look, but really could be worn for any season. And it was inspired by one of my friends, Elizabeth. You guys might know her on YouTube. So I will link her channel down in the description box below so you guys can go check her out. And I will also link to the original design that she did because this is actually part of a mini swap today. But first up, we're going to check out the China Glaze polishes that I used, and then you will already probably know that the detailing is done in acrylic paint. So first up, we have the China Glaze white on white polish, which is the white one. Then we have the red, which is called The Heat Is On. And all of these have the newer brushes. And then we have OMG, which actually does not have the newer brush, but it is a holographic silvery polish. And then we have Liquid Leather, which is just the black that now has the new brush. And they should all be available at Ulta. So first up, we are going to apply 2 coats of the white on white. So we have full white coverage, and here you can really see how the brush is much bigger than previous China Glazes, and you will see later on how it varies from the brush that was on the holographic polish, which is OMG. So once you have your 2 coats of white on your main accent nail, it is time to get ready for the art. For this, I'm using one of my Mitty Burns brushes and some black acrylic paint. And first up, I really am just trying to get the center of my nail, and I'm just going to kind of like almost sketch in a straight line. It does not have to be perfect, and that's actually one of the good things about working with a white design, like a white base and a black design on top, because you can go back in with like white acrylic paint and fix any crooked lines, which I'm going to show you how I did, because I mean it's inevitable that some of my lines are going to be crooked when I'm filming on camera. So for this design, and for the fact that I was doing it on camera live for the first time, I did about 3 lines on the main nail. You could probably squeeze in like a 4th line, but I just felt like this was an even distribution with the 1 down the middle and then 1 on each side. Now, if you have any crooked lines or lines that you just want to straighten up, you can go in with white acrylic paint, which is what I'm doing currently. And I am just cleaning up any lines that weren't perfectly straight, or if the brush kind of went a little crazy on the sides. And that is the great part about doing the black design on top of the white. Next up, we're going to go in and we're just going to kind of space out where we want our triangles by putting little lines, as you can see here. And then we're going to take those down and turn it into your triangle, which is also kind of acting like an arrow since it is the whole Valentine's-like theme. And once it is dry, you can apply your favorite top coat. I decided to go with a shiny finish this time because I feel like it just really looked good with this combination. And you have a perfect Valentine's-like design, or this could really just be anything because red and black usually just make a really good sharp combo. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the audio switch up. We've been having some audio issues, but after I get this fixed, things should resume to normal. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for a new swatch video and a new nail art video. Bye!